Hello, Juwel VRs, Juwel 4x4, newest version of the lock. Here's how the key looks like. This lock is pretty hard. Special cuts on the levers, very strong springs and strong anti-picking. I'll show you how this lock looks like inside, and here you can see this special cuts on the lock. To overcome them, here's the Luckydecoder by Lucky Locks for Juwel 4x4 new versions. This is the form of the pins: cassette pins, small tension handles, turbo wheel, indicator, and scale 1 to 3. Now, as I said, this lock have very strong springs, and to extend the life of your pins, we will use this code reading card. We will make the first turn with the regular decoding. Then we will extract the tool, read our code, mirror it, and make the second turn. To start, we need to reset our tool to these holes, push all the pins all the way down. While resetting the tool, check the pins hardness, because if you are inside the lock in working position and you overpump the code, it's very hard to extract the tool. It's not impossible, but it's very hard. Now, to start, turbo wheel always to the right when you reset, when you're going in, when you want to extract your tool. Turbo wheel always fully to the right. Insert the tool with pins toward the deadbolt. Go on the right depth. How to understand this? You can feel this springy effect. Now we want to go into the working position, but it won't gonna happen like this. Do not push it, because it's not gonna happen. Use the turbo wheel instead, with very small pumps, and returning and going fully to the right. You can go into working position. Now, small tension, actually not small. Don't give it so much tension, because you don't want to break the tool. Give it tension, turbo wheel till the first stop point. We'll work only with first and second stop points. We will use second stop point only when we are in anti-picking, and actually from the start you can hear this specific sound. This is the anti-picking, and to overcome this, indicator till the second stop point, go back, release, and now only till the first one. Here's our first turn. And this is how the code looks like. Now, I have this scheme. Every row corresponds to the pin. Now we need to read our code with this card. How to do this? Like this. You can see it has space here, so we will use something like 8. Yeah, 8 is perfect. But actually no, we need something higher, like 7. Okay, it's 7. Now we will write it here. 7. Second pin. Let's try letters. Maybe Ash. Ash is very high. Let's try G. Yeah, maybe it's the G, but because this lock have very strong springs, even when you already have the code to make a first turn, pins may going down while you're turning it. So we will choose the higher code. Instead of using Ash, instead of using G, we will use Ash. Write it down and do all the pins now. And this is what I get: 7 Ash 7 2 9 6 2 2. If we look at the key, this code is the same as this, but we just need to mirror it, and we will do this here. So we get 2 2 6 9 2 7 Ash 7. Now reset the tool. Again, turbo will follow it to the right. And now, by using this and or code reading card, I will push all the pins on the right depth. So 2 2 6 9 6 9 2 7 2 7 Ash 7. And this is what we get. Again, turbo will fully to the right, go inside, and we open the lock. Now it's fully unlocked. Now I will show you that the lock is still in the perfect condition, no damage to the lock. And this was Juwel VRs 4x4 Luckydecoder. Thank you, bye.